Hey guys, welcome to a new video. We're going to show you how you can properly track your notes and manage them at the same time. So as you might well know, inside the chatbot, there is a section under the specific content section, as you can see here. And then you can go towards notes where you have an overview of all of your notes. Now, that is fine and all, and you can also see your total. For me, in my chatbot, I currently have 1038 notes available, right? But if I take a look at the overview, I have 1038 pages. And sometimes I just need to find a specific note type that might help me troubleshoot certain issues, or maybe I need to replace certain values in those notes, like for example, a Google Sheets, right? Where I want to update the Google Sheet itself to another one. For me, in order to be able to properly track that and to easily change that, I can use this section to find all of the notes that use a Google Sheet action. And the way to do that is by going towards the select type. And here you have all the different types of notes. So you have the starting note, you have the send message, the question, the action, condition, split, send email, and go to note. So if I want to find the Google Sheets actions, right, the notes for that, where I'm using it in all of my chatbot flows, then I go with the action. Then inside the action, you can see I'm still having 62 pages, which is quite a lot if you want to really pin it down. Luckily, we also have another detailed section. So instead of actions and then all, if we press it down, you can see we have a section for basic actions. We have a section, if we scroll down a little bit further, advanced actions. So if you want to search for your external request or all your sent SMS or emails, right, you can also find that as well. But if we scroll down more and more, you also have the integration section. And under the integration section, you can actually find your Google Sheet. So if we already crossed it, you have it right here. You can also, instead of scrolling, of course, you can also just search. So if I say something with an action for tag, then I get all the tags. If I say for Google Sheets, then I can also find the integration really, really easily. And if I press this now, you will see that I only get all of the action nodes that have a Google Sheet action inside. So now I only have 17 results, right? Not 17 pages, 17 results. I mentioned pages before, but was the total results instead. That pins it down greatly. And for me, it's really easy to open all of these specific notes because I can just press the button on the right-hand side and mention open. So for example, if I say, I want to edit this one, export to Google Sheets, I can just say open and it goes directly towards the flow and the specific note in question where we have that Google Sheets action inside. Now, if we go back towards contents, you will also see that the last action and the last filters will stay in place. So it's not that you need to set up the filters every single time. If you go back towards contents and then the notes section, you will still have that same filter in place. But this is a really, really easy way for you to have a proper management and tracking of note system directly inside your chatbot, right? So for example, now I'm using OpenAI, the integration, although it has multiple actions inside, the integration is something that you can look for. And then you can see a total of 48 results. It's much better than the 1038 in the beginning, right? So that way you can quickly see, okay, these are the subflows, these are the notes. And if I want to open something, then I can easily do so. So I can just say open, goes towards the note, and then you can see, okay, this is the note that I need to edit. So we hope that this is a much easier way for you to search through the available notes where you have certain note types. You don't have to go with action. You can also go with conditions or questions or send messages, right? Or emails for that matter. So it's an easy way for you to search through all the different notes, through all the 1038 notes inside of your chatbot, in my case. For you, it could be much more, could be much less, but again, it's a really easy to use management system. So if you have any questions, do let us know and we'll try to help you out as soon as possible. For now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.